Start using the DXY in your analysis. When you are trading dollar pairs such as Euro USD and GBP USD, you should be analyzing what the DXY is doing. The DXY is the dollar index, so if the DXY is trending upwards and we are trading higher, we should see on the Euro USD chart it going lower and making lows. So how can we use this to our advantage? On the DXY, if we fail to go above this high and make a failure swing and we start trading lower, and on the Euro USD chart, if we make a low and we make a lower low and we start trading higher, this is the cracking correlation you guys should be looking for between DXY and Euro USD and GBP USD. Once we see this clearly shows that the DXY wants to go lower and we can look for buying opportunities on Euro USD. As we trade lower, we are looking for fair value gaps to buy from to target the buy side liquidity and our stop losses below the SMT. So this short video was why you should be using the DXY in your analysis. I hope you guys found this short video useful. And if you want to see any more videos like this, make sure to leave a comment down below. And as always, thanks for watching.